Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. This is my little sous chef who is not feeling good today. So yeah, say sorry, I'm not feeling good today. Today we are going to be making a cabbage and roasted chickpea salad. I absolutely love this salad. We're going to make a simple dressing with just olive oil, some lemon juice, and honey, and it is incredible. I also am really excited because for this video I was able to use a knife that I recently, about a brand that I found out recently. They're called Nakano, and I fell in love with this brand when they sent me their knife. You want your cookie? Go ahead. So I recently fell in love with this brand. They had contacted me and I did a little bit of research and I found out how amazing their knives are. They're really great quality. They've been handcrafted in Japan since 1918. The blade is a high carbon stainless steel, so it's really amazing quality that lasts generations. And I'm so excited that they had reached out to me and just kind of let me know of the brand, and I'm really just honored, to be honest. With that being said, if you want to find out more about the brand, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below in the description box. And also, if you do want to order from them, if you use the code, the Lazy Girls Kitchen 15, you can get 10% off of your order. So I do highly recommend just checking them out. They really are an amazing brand. And I'm, again, just honored that they reached out to me. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Take a look at the knives and let me know what you think. And we'll see you next time. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say I'm not feeling well. Sorry. Bye, guys.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fun, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do